So hey guys, I don't remember where we left off, but these are the molds I made. Haven't taken them off from the actual part piece, but they're like, I don't know how to explain. I already cut the edge off, my bad. The edge right here, you can see it's kind of thick, but this out here is like sticky, as you can see. And it's been days, weeks, so I don't know, but I'm gonna redo this one and that one. I haven't trimmed that one off. But what I'm gonna do right now is okay. What I'm gonna do right now is it's this piece. I'm putting tape on it around it, so I already put some wax on the first layer. I'm gonna put some of that green liquid, and after that, put some wax again, and I'm gonna try to mold this piece. And after that, try to see if I could do it better, because what happened, I think, is that with these, I applied a couple layers, like, I applied a couple layers too soon. I didn't let it dry, a little bit. So I would put a layer and then I'll just put the next layer in. I thought it was 2-3 layer wasn't gonna be that bad, but I guess it is. So I guess it's because this fabric I have is kind of thicker than others. So I don't know, but I think that's why. So now with the other piece, what I'm gonna do is put one layer, right? Let it sit in the sun for a good 30 minutes, and then put another layer, another 30 minutes, and then probably keep it like that. Or probably put another layer, leave it for the rest of the night, and see how that goes. But I'll let y'all guys know. This is a little update. It's been a couple weeks, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. So I'm done taping them up and applying PVA. So I'm just gonna let them dry. I already applied 2 layers on this one, and that's the second layer on that one. I might leave it like that just cause it looks pretty good applied, so, or whatever. So next, what I'm gonna do is apply another coat of this wax again, and after that, I'm gonna start with the fiberglass. What I'm gonna do is, I don't know, I should kind of want to get one piece, right? But at the same time, since it's all curvy, I'm gonna get strips, little strips, like start from here to here, like 2-inch strips, up and down. Apply each one like that, all the way to here. Same thing. So because these edges, it don't fold that well, so if it's a little strip, it'll start from here, and hopefully we're gonna see how that goes. And this shit too, this stuff right here, that one, those are the, I'll show you. I can't even show you, but those are what holds this to the truck. So dang, there's a lot of mosquitoes. So yeah, that's almost done. After that's dry, I put some wax, like I was saying, and apply the fiberglass. So guys, so as you can see here, this didn't really, it's like silky. You can see that it's flimsy. So I'm just gonna peel it off. The PVC, as you can see, does work pretty well. Probably the wax as well, you know, but the PVC stuck to that, so I can basically peel it off and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off, take the other one off as well, and start with these. So yeah. So here it is. Here's my first mold. Psych. But it is my first mold, but it sucks, you know, because look, it just closes. It's flimsy. It's not hard enough. I don't know, but maybe I can harden it now that it's... Oh, that's pretty cool. What y'all think? I don't know. I'm gonna throw it away though, you know. It's just trash. Just showing y'all. Well, I don't know. It's my first mold ever. Failed attempt, but maybe I could put... I don't know. Maybe I can make a mold. A part out of this, even though it's flimsy. And just... It'll be even better, actually, because I can like pull it off easier, like I did with the piece. I don't know. And just hold it in place or something. But shit, there's a lot of mosquitoes. This is still sticky, so I can't really like let go of it. Kind of, but this is cool. I'll take the other one off. Oh, see how sticky it is? Shit. Sticks to everything. The inside, look. I don't know if y'all can see that. That green stuff peeling, basically that's the PVA. I got a mess, I know, I don't care either. So whatever y'all say. If I even upload this shit. Alright, give me a second. What the fuck? Alright, so here's the piece. Looks the same. Nothing's... You can see right here the PVA. Just peel it off, honestly. That's it. There's PVA everywhere, but that's good because made the piece come out easy. So, you know, out of the whole process I did with this, at least I could see that, I could see the mistakes I did, you know, and make better decisions with this one. So, I was showing you right here. This is what I was trying to show you. The little film. See? This is pretty smooth too. It's pretty, I don't know. I think I can harden it and it could work maybe. But I'm about to take this one off. This one's pretty ugly still. I'm gonna just take it off because it looks so zoomed in. There we go. But this one, there we go. So I'm about to take this one off now. So here it is, guys. The second one. Trash. Trash. It just bends open. It's like glue, you know? I don't know how to explain it. Like the PVC, basically. So you know how glue works? When you put it, it's just like hardened, but not stiff. You know, it's just flimsy stuff. So I don't get that. I don't know if it's the liquid or not, or I don't know. It's kind of hard. Kind of not. So certain places like here, See how it's curving out. I can widen out. That's because I can't use both hands. Let me show you. See how easy that it does it? It's not good. So it's wet or something. It's still wet. But that's the PVA, and then not PVC. So trash, but nice attempt. I think that's what they say, not to leave air bubbles, but fuck it. Next try, let's see how it goes.